Assalamualaikum. I'm Nasirul Hakimi. Today I'm presenting my simulation for lab 3 on the 3-phase synchronous generator. Okay, the goal is to determine armature resistance, analyze the circuit, the open circuit and short circuit characteristic, and also build an equivalent circuit model. Okay, first for section A, armature resistance. We begin with the DC measurement circuit to find the armature resistance RA. Here is my simulation setup where the field winding and two per phase connection are shorted, and at a 20 volt DC input, the current waveform shows a steady RMS value of 300 ampere, and by testing up to 100 volt, we found that DC resistance is consistent at 0.0667 ohm, resulting in a per phase resistance of 0.0333 ohm. Okay, next is the section B open circuit test. The generator is coupled to a DC motor running at a rated 1500 RPM, and we found varied that the table from 10 volt to 100 volt. At the 100 volt, the field current reached 25.32 ampere, producing a phase voltage of 240 volt. And the scope shows clean 3-phase sine wave, each displayed by 120 degrees. And our plotted OCC curve shows the transition from a linear air gap line into magnetic saturation as the field current increase. Next is the section C. For the short circuit characteristic, we use a bidirectional switch to process the short circuit operation, and in this waveform you can see the line current surge. At rated condition, the RMS line current IL reached 146 ampere, and using this current and our OCC data, we calculate the synchronous reactance XS, which defines the generator performance limit. And finally, we develop the per phase equivalent circuit integrating measured RA and XS. In conclusion, this simulation successfully validate the effect of armature reaction and core saturations in synchronous machine. Thank you.